Hello lovelies, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica, and I live in Ohio with my husband and our 2-year-old daughter, and I hope you liked today's video. And if so, comment down below, even if just to say hi. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, we'll be cleaning out my car, which in this video, you will see filming was interesting for me. At first, everything was going fine, but then wasps. I don't know about you, but I am terrified of those things, and I've been stung one too many times. Not fun. But I hope you will all enjoy this video, and maybe leave a comment down below about what scares you. Alright, let's get into this video.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim. I tried to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So why, oh why do you still flee when you know that you are the one?
Okay, so first off, I'm just starting by getting everything out of the car, including trash, water bottles, and of course the car seat.
Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's. I'm faithful like a blind girl's. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. We were walking on the sidewalk when we bumped into this person that I knew you thought it was an old flame, but I told you it's not, so let it go. I tried to make you see that I would not betray you in a million years. So why, oh why do you still flee when you are all that I want? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful.
And here I will just be starting with wiping everything down.
I'm faithful like a blind girl's. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. You got some trust issues, though I admit it's cute, but there's too many disputes with you. Once and for all, just tell me how I can set you free.
And here I brought my mom in for help to swat away the wasps just so I can get some video done.
All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Oh yeah, I'm looking for your attention.
hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like down below. And again, if you are new here, I hope you'll subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you here. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!
You say hi?
Hi!